So, hi everyone. This is my new video in which I will be telling you a project that is the website summarizer. So, first of all, I will tell you about which website I am going to summarize. So, this is a website that is a GitHub page of a guy named Ayush Sharma. So, I will be summarizing this website as a single unit with the help of Olama. So, first of all, you can see my Olama localhost is running on my localhost this and okay, so this is the code uh, which is of the website summarizer. I will be going step by step and will explain you the code line by line and help you understand how it looks like, and at then I will show you the output also. Okay, uh, let's start. This is the print title in a normal Python code, and this is the import request for the post get request, all those things. This beautiful soup is basically used to a partition of the data of that basically HTML page, and this is to display. This library is basically used to display. So I'm using the Llama localhost API. I showed you it is running on this localhost, and my model name is Llama 3.2, and this is the header which I passed because I want the data in this format, because the data is coming in this format. So this is a class website that I used ChatGPT to make this code. I can explain you the code. Basically, simply this is the URL I'm passing. I'm using a GET request, and simply I'm using beautiful soup to basically parse out the HTML page, and the things that I need I am keeping with me, and the things I don't need, that is irrelevant things, I'm scooping it out easily. Script, style, image, input, etc. These things I don't need. So moving forward, so this was all about this. I can run this also side by side, and the result is coming, and you can see now this is the site object I'm creating of the class website, and I'm putting the things. See, Ayush Sharma, the title of the page came. Next, I'm printing the text that I need. So simply this is all the text that came out. Ayush Sharma and software developer and all those things came into picture. Next comes 2-3 things. First of all, the system prompt. System prompt is basically needed because I need to tell how should my AI respond. Simply the system sets the AI behavior. Basically the system prompt helps to set the AI behavior, and the user prompt will ask the question from that. Simply, first of all, I'm setting the behavior of the AI, that how should he or she respond. So this is a system prompt that I passed, that you are the assistant and all those things, providing short summary and all, and give the ignoring the text that might be navigation related and all those things. Then I'm working on the user prompts, that is the website and all the things. Firstly, I'm going on the website title and the text. I'm creating a user prompt that I will pass in the messages. So this is the user prompt that I pass down this function user prompts, and it is working as expected. So this is the user prompt. Now, as I told you, 2 things we need to pass. That is a role. Role for the system means telling the AI behavior, and the role about the user means telling the content, what type of content content you are passing, and output accordingly. Now I want header in the form of JSON type, and I'm making a payload for that. Simply the model I pass, messages I'm passing, and the stream. Okay, this is for your context. Like, I want to tell how the messages and all those things work. So simply, it is not related to the website summarizer. This code will come again, but in a different way. So in the messages we are passing all these things. that is you are a funny assistant and all, tell me the joke. So in the content type, I want the content type as JSON. So I'm passing the model, messages, and the stream. Here stream means that I don't want the data in chunks. At one go I want complete data. Next comes the response I'm passing. Basically it's a post request, and I want Olama API. I pass the Olama API and the JSON in the form of payload. In the JSON we have the messages model and the stream, and the headers we have the headers like in the application JSON. This you have also done while using the get, post, put in your Postman, all those things. So it is like that. Now as I don't know what this response will give out, so I did one thing. I simply applied a for loop and checked that what is this response, what is there in this response. So I passed model name is llama 3.2 that I passed there, created at this message, role, assistant, all those things, and all those things that you can see. So I printed out, but I want the messages in that. So I can pass this, I can have this message also. See, down the line I'm going print response dot JSON message. In the message we have content. See, here's the one. But I remember, if you remember, I had called the Olama API for a joke. So what do you call a fake noodle? Wait for it. It's impasta. So it's a normal joke that is given by the ChatGPT. That is given by the Olama. But anyways, coming to the topic. Now, as you know that we need to pass two prompts for the user, for the system and the user itself. So I'm going for the website itself. So now I'm passing the messages for the website. Here I passed role, that is the system, and content, the system prompt that I passed in the starting. And this is the content, that is the user, that I passing as a user prompt that I made that function, if you remember. So then comes the payload 2, in which I'm passing the model, the messages for website, and the stream because I want the data at once. I don't want the data in chunks. Moving forward, making a post request again to the Olama API that I had, and the JSON and the payload itself and the headers. Again I'm checking what is the data I'm getting. So model, created message, and all those things. At the end I'm printing the content, print response 3 JSON message and content. So I'm at the end I'm getting the content with the summarized one, that is the about me, experience, education, blog and publications, and all those things. So this was a summary of the website that he had. Anyways, this was whole about the video. If you like this, please like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. We will be making more mini projects. Anyways, I will put the code on the GitHub on my GitHub as well. You can go and check it out from there. And if you like this, like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.